Hey everybody, Tactical here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the T20 Studio Boom Arm by TONOR. Alright, so it comes in some nice cardboard packaging, and I ordered mine from Amazon, and it was basically $38. So it comes with a windscreen that you can put on top of your boom microphone. It also comes with a pop filter, and that just filters out any excess air that may be leaving your mouth when you talk. Yep, so there's the stand itself, and it's got some caution tape around it, but once I remove that, then it can pivot all kinds of different directions. Alright, I got in my hand right there the base that screws into a desk, and you just find a good spot for it, unscrew that screw there until it can fit in the little area, and then screw it back in until it's real tight. And as you can see, it fits easily into the base, and yeah, it just slides right in. You would think that it would snap in, but no, it's just real smooth. It also comes with a really nice instruction manual that shows you how to do everything. Alright, so here I am. I'm trying to unscrew it so it can fit on my desk right there, and that's where I'm going to be using it. And I screw it in until it's real tight, just so it never falls and crashes into my nice computer monitors or computer itself. So some quick facts about it is it comes with 4 little zip ties so that you can do some cable management and make everything look tight and neat. Also, you can hang your headphones from the mount there at the bottom of the base. It's got a little overhang, and you can use that to mount your headphones. It comes with a 3/8 inch to 5/8 screw, and the one that it starts with is 3/8, and that's what I, as you can see, screwed my boom microphone into it. It fits perfectly. That way you can hang it sideways, vertically, upside down, any way you want. It also supports shock mounts and any just your standard handheld microphone too. Alright, so here we are on TONOR's website, and the stand itself can pivot 360 degrees from the base and 180 degrees from the first pivot point in the middle, and then at the very top the microphone can pivot to up to 270 degrees. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and please be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and definitely please subscribe. Alright, thank you.